Good day, ma'am. I am Angelica Deloso from BCCI, BTVT Ed 1C. What is your name, ma'am?
My name is Christina May Orbiston.
So, I have a question here. The first question is, how do you differentiate instruction?
Conducting first a diagnostic test to assess the prior knowledge of my students. And then after that, I formulate variety of learning activities to cater the different learning styles or learning needs of my students. And then for students with learning difficulties, I use gamified activities to keep them interested in the class.
What challenges you encounter?
In teaching mathematics, I encountered some students who are now in high school, but their level of numeracy is still at the elementary level. Some students or most students don't know how to multiply numbers or even write the proper place, write the numbers in words. No, Hineka love numeracy and literacy, and also a lot of students don't know how to read and comprehend the words or given sentence.
Enrichment or acceleration strategies you use?
For advanced learners, I formulate more challenging learning activities for them to keep them challenged. It's because it's part of my differentiating instructions, hindi ang ilang assessments sa mga regular students. Okay, homogeneous ng mga classes. So, na yung advanced learners. So, hindi na ko ang ilang mga learning activities. Mas lisod siya ng mga problems compared sa mga regular students. Napod ko yung mga activities na for learners na ubos problem.
How do you monitor progress?
I monitor progress by conducting formative and summative tests. I check my students' learning competencies by checking the table of specifications during the exams to assess which topic do they need more information or examples for them to master. And also, I provide extra support by having remedial class for students needs extra lessons, no, para mas ma-master din nilang lessons, especially for itong mga students na hinipag-numeracy.
How do you support socio-emotional development?
The Department of Education conducts this interview or assessments for students who needs support or help, especially sa mga students na nag-experience of abuse, no, and then nag-provide with me of support or contact numbers whenever they need help or emergencies. And also, we talk to our students whenever they feel abused or bullied by their peers, and we communicate with their parents during PTA meetings or through social media platforms.
So much, ma'am, for answering my questions.